The most important meal of the day, serving it up Gary's way.
Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute. Your girl haven't been cooking that much, and I need to because options are few and funds are looking a little slow, looking a little low. So I decided, since I'm gonna really be cooking or trying to cook more, I'm gonna try recording it as well, because I'm like, if I'm gonna cook, I might as well record it. Today we're gonna be cooking, and just so y'all know, like, I'm a first time cook, so this is not gonna be a tutorial. This is not gonna be, this is how you cook for your husband, no, please don't take my advice. I'm over here just trying to follow along with a recipe. So this is not, okay, it's not Rachel Ray's, it's not the cooking show, this ain't it. So today we are going to be attempting to make hibachi from scratch. Cause I like to go to Hibachi, and I'm like, y'all ever seen that scene in What's Your Number with Anna Faris, and then she was dating a guy who was a little chubby, and he was like, and she never wanted to be seen with him, so she was like, oh, he wanted to go to Korean barbecue, and she was like, oh, we can make Korean barbecue, what do we need? Like, at this point, I'm feeling hibachi, but I'm gonna make it because I can't afford hibachi right now. So I'm gonna be following along with some recipes. So if y'all see me look away, just I'm looking at a recipe. Don't tell your man you can cook if you gotta look at recipes. Don't say that, because it may take a while. So let's go on ahead and get into it. Thank you. All right, let's get these lemons out, because y'all know I gotta clean my meat with lemon. I'm gonna be doing chicken and shrimp, right? So now that the chicken is washed, I'm gonna try to chop the thighs into little cubes, and then I'm gonna do the shrimp. But I wanna cut these, see if I can cut these into cubes first. It's gonna be ghetto, I already know, but whatever, we gonna eat. Take this skin off and cut this junk child. Okay, not bad. One. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, not bad. They're kind of cute. They're kind of cute shaped. I'm doing something. I don't know about y'all, but I like fat on my meat, so yes. And that's not healthy, but you feel me? I like it. Let me not try to chop off my fingers, because I am a novice. Okay. See, I don't know about y'all, but we ain't gonna do that again. That would have been crazy. But there's just so much meat on this bone. Like, no, you gotta get off. You got to get off. Because I like to eat all the meat off my bone. Like, I be seeing y'all be throwing away y'all meat, y'all chicken wings, and it still be mad meat on there. Please, don't waste the chicken. Like I speak enough, don't waste the chicken. That's just what it means in Korean. So if y'all know me, I know I'm gonna start saying random Haitian Creole phrases. So just bear with me. Cut. Well, that heat is blasting, huh? Hold on. Did I turn off the thermostat? Who touched me, thermostat? I watch a lot of SpongeBob, so please.
Who touched me, thermostat?
Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. All right, let's go. Now me grabbing the knife from the wrong end. Y'all, call 911. If you see something, call 911 for me, please. Cause what am I doing? Oh my gosh. So as you can see, the chicken is chopped, if I do say so myself. Whipping the yam, just, yeah. so we're gonna start cleaning that shrimp now. And then after we clean it, we're gonna season all that. We're gonna season all that. So we ain't got that much shrimp. I don't know what me and my mom's gonna do, but we better figure it out because ain't that much shrimp. I'm still gonna cook it though, but yeah. First come, first serve. Go ahead and season this meat. Gonna put some olive oil on that thing a little bit, just to get it. And the same for the shrimp too. I love this handy dandy slap your mama seasoning. This is that's my seasoning right here. Right here. I love this. Put a little bit in here too. I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder, a bit of onion, a little bit of body. Y'all know that's my seasoning. Say do you remember? Yes, I do remember. This is one of my favorite seasonings besides slapping mama. I'm about to do the white rice right now. I suck at rice, so pray for your girl. I'm gonna go by measurements this time, cause yeah. So the rice is cooking for about 16, 18 minutes. So while that's happening, I'm gonna put the meat to the side, and then I'm gonna chop up the vegetables, season the vegetables. And then once the rice is like almost done, start heating these up in the pan. What we are gonna be using is this giant cucumber. There's actually a bigger one in the fridge, but I'm scared because like I don't want it to be too rigid while I'm chopping it. So let me just use the smaller one. Like yeah, this is the smaller one. It's pretty big. We're gonna use mushrooms too because I love me some mushrooms. I love me some mushrooms. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop those up. I think I might only need half because these cucumbers are big. I'll put that on medium. What's going on? Ah! Okay, relax. Chill out, chill out, chill out. Now what? I just wanna live. Hey, God. Relax. I know I put enough water. Oh my gosh. Damn. She lied. She said put that joint on medium high. I'm putting that joint on low. Oh, sugar, honey, I see. Is this even a cucumber or zucchini? What's going on? These cucumbers are on steroids. Oh my gosh. Is this who we are? Cheese and crackers. If anyone crosses me, this is what's gonna happen. Kidding. Okay, so these cucumbers just gonna have to be thick, child. Like me. Isn't that what Kimmy's Creations be saying? Get them round and thick like me. And that's just that on that. The rice smells good though. I love me some jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is like the best rice in the world. But these cucumbers look kind of pretty though. They kind of pretty. I just want to show y'all how pretty this rice looks. This is the best rice I've made. I'm usually terrible at rice, but we did that, okay? We did that. So the chicken is cooking right now. It looks kind of cute, okay. So this is how the chicken is looking nice, looking cute, you know. I tried the chicken and it was pretty good if I do say so myself. So I'm heating up the shrimp right now. It's gonna be really quick. I already cut up these little cucumbers, so now I'm about to cut up these mushrooms. How do you even cut mushrooms? Okay. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, just regular like that, right? Okay. What am I doing? Every time I think of mushrooms, I think of Toad from what you call it, Mario Kart. Chicken gone, chicken gone. This is the finished product. The shrimp look kind of cute, right? If y'all can see. Y'all see the steam? Smell pretty good to me. Put my mushrooms. Every time I think about the mushrooms, I swear there's a movie or TV show reference to everything. I remember the mushrooms where Raven was allergic to mushrooms and she blew up like a balloon.
Pickle. Mushrooms.
Okay, so the recipe said she put a little bit of soy sauce on the vegetables, so I'm about to do that. How do I open this? I need a man to do this. I can't. How do I do this? How the hell do you open this, child? You know what? Let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure we got soy sauce. Shout out to the soy sauce packets. We be at Chinese food and we say, you feel me, because I can't open it. And y'all not about to have me. Sauce packet, here we go. I know that's right. Ooh, this soy sauce a little salty. I'm not put too much. Like, who closed this thing? The Rock? What are y'all doing? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar. It might sound crazy, but I want it to be, just in case, because this soy sauce is probably really salty. So I'm gonna try to, like, I don't know, hide it a little. That ain't half bad. That ain't half bad. That ain't half bad. That ain't half bad. Okay, not bad. Call me Jimmy Neutron because that brown sugar definitely offset the saltiness. That Jones tastes pretty good, if I say so myself. Your girl eating out the pot, okay? Accidentally burned my tongue though, so make sure you blow before you eat your food. These are how the vegetables, the vegetables are doing. Look how good that look. Okay, I'm proud of myself. Look at that. Look at that. It tastes pretty good too. It was pretty good. Look at that sizzle. Look at that sizzle. Look at that drip. Look at that sizzle. Look at that drip. Period. I know that's right. About to do the fried rice. I'm about to crack open this egg. She said about 3 eggs, I think, and then mix it all together and then put some soy sauce on it. Let's see how it tastes. So this is the final meal. Not bad for my first time, honestly. The fried rice was a little hard because when I made the white rice, it was perfect, but by the time I like mixed it all together, it kind of became a tad mushier than what I'm used to. So yeah, but the taste is pretty good. You know, I seasoned that junk. But anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. There's one more thing before I leave. I tried to be like those people on those cooking shows, the presentation or whatever. It looks better from the side because I don't know what I was trying to do. I don't know what kind of shape is this, oblong, whatever you call it. But this is the actual plate, so let me know what y'all think.